recipe from my school. This is the ingredients we need. This is some plain flour. I just put in here. You put that away. This is some grated cheese. We'll just grate it. And this is some cold milk I just took from the fridge. This is baking powder, half teaspoon of baking powder, and this is some butter here. Yeah. And there's some salt here. What we really need as well. And this is all the things we need to put in and like that. You get 1 bowl of plain flour and put it in this big bowl. And I took another bowl and with plain flour and added it into this big bowl. Put all this butter into this big bowl. Well, it's very hard. Mix the butter and the plain flour well. Add some half teaspoon of baking powder into this big bowl. And then mix it. Add a pinch of salt into this big bowl. And add some of the cheese into this big bowl as well. And put some milk into this big bowl as well. And then mix it very well. This is a muffin tray. Add some butter into these holes. Get some mixer and put it one of these holes and put actually all these holes. When you've done this, put it in the oven for 20 minutes. My mum put the muffin tray into the oven to cook. It's finally ready. It's not hot, it's not cold. It's the right heat for us. Share it with your family and friends. See you soon. Goodbye. No.
Don't touch.